abashomero mu shomero
rwanyensya eri enshonga nkuru omu mashomero.
Tugamba kintu kya clubs twashanga ngo omwebembezi wa club yona nebasa kuba nka sculpture union ashemere kuba nagira ubujunanizibwa obwe kugira ngo at least arebeke ngo club ejo yabaho aza muringo ki club ejo nabasa kujiwera kurebeka ngo members bakanya.
Omuganda Right Honorable Dr. Crispus Chiyonga omwezi wa kabiri w'enganzi y'ihanga higire bakuru b'amashomero okwegesa beje bintu bya tekinolojia nkagumwa ha muringo gwo kuretaho bwegese busya obw'omutindo mu ihanga. Obutumwa bwa Crispus Chiyonga bushomerwe Michael Mawanda omujwekira hakuja guzizoba ry'amashomero g'abantu buntu kandi emikore biro mu kishayi kya Nyakasanga omuri Nyamwamba Division Kasese Municipality.
To embrace technology responsibly while strengthening digital literacy, innovation, and cybersecurity. Government remains committed to strengthening public-private partnership in education. Private education is not an alternative to government education.
Naye nakubadde tusomesa tukyayinamu bingi ebitusomooza. Ekisookera ddala nga ffe ba private schools naddala primary section abasomesa baffe baba tutte nnyo mu government ffe ne tusigalirawo ng'ate luli teaching training institutions zaali zifulumya abasomesa naye government yazistopinga kati tetulina abasomesa.
Right Honorable Benson Kure enganzi y'obusinga bwa Rwenzururu ayanjurira abantu abakwa omusinga yatongwize hururu y'okurwanisa obutashoma omu kyanga.
Obusinga bwa Rwenzururu is working with everybody to ensure that we increase and improve education in this area. As you are aware, in 1982, Omusinga declared the day of the pen, declared that we should leave forceful ways of solving problems but start using a pen. And every 15th of August, we celebrate this day.
That government creates an education fund that can easily and cheaply be accessed by approved schools for purposes of supporting smooth implementation of the new curriculum and infrastructure development that's now a deserving innovation but expensive to execute.
Omuganda bejo mu mashomero barabwirwe kwejumbira mu mirimo y'emikono hamwe n'ebya science mu kurwanisa ibura ry'emirimo. Ebi bigambirwa hakurambura umurimo gwo kwombeka Kashaga Masidi School mu Ryantonde.
Twina kwezija abantu material yemu nabyo kulaba na design design za jaworo kati omwana ino mulimo guno mutwe talifa bwavu toli mwavu mutwe na yefe tusomesa omwana mu mulimu agenda akole agiye akole engoyezo atunde afune ku sente.
Curriculum eno ebisinga tubikola na mikono nti kakati wabewo activity ekolebwa nga ya mikono tetuli nnyo mu bintu bino byatuula wandiika nga ffe bye twakolanga kubanga byatuleeteranga okubanga nkuraminga.
Omukurambura okwabeegi bashabirwe okwetantara enshonga z'omubonano.
Research ekozwe Reverend abaziire mutushweza bisi bitu bakiri bato. Research erigirahidwaro yitwa Sambya neyoreka ngo hata batangire kutunga abana bingi bakubwa mu secondary school binega bagira kucheleza kanaka
Omwana nayononika kiba kibi fobo tuliziza kwanga fepani mukuge bulungi ate kuno mwononere abana bano babira kusomera emyezi esatu tuchekinga tukola medical checkups ebisende bisinga bakalculate tubakwata bankava waka.
Kashaga Masidi School rwahatirira habucweka kinana harigana kwa kandi neriza kumaraho biliyoni 3 n'obutonyezo mwenda.
Kumpereza ubebezi muzinza kwatanzania imwe nkopera mastogu atungwiro mayo nanye niza kubega itaho omwanya bwitu gwa Kashagama kugendo mbere.
Gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya, Gerbert Muhanguzi na Sandeke William.
mwebare abanyamakuru bitu babashaho muri Ankole bashabwo kwatanisiza hamwe okurwanisa akakoko ka sirimu okushabuku kwahebwayo Dr. Tsime Charles Registrar wabashaho omuri Uganda obu abire hariyo mjenyi mukuru ahakutongoza hakatabo kokoreka emiringo eshikire eyo kurwanisiza akakoko ka sirimu
nkoro gwo kutongoza akatabo ko bukoryo bwo kurwanisa sirimu akobesere Healthcare Professionals Handbook kakozirwa aba Uganda Medical Council bashagikirwe UNAIDS kandi umukoro gubira hari Mbarara University of Science and Technology gwetabirwamwe abashaho kurga burenge bwizoba n'ihanga ryona.
The patient is at the center of service provision. Now, as health workers, we need to combine effort to ensure that we give total services to this client so that the client goes away a satisfied client.
Aha mukorogo basimire government ahabwo kutamani omukurwanisa sirimu.
Government first and foremost realized that the scourge of HIV was on the increase. We started way back in the 80s with ABC. Then later on we had to bring on board the testing to identify those that had been sick. Then we found that we needed actually to treat them with ARVs. Government was importing these ARVs, but as we talk now, we are making them from here at Quality Chemicals and even other pharmaceutical industries.
Dr. Elias Chiza, President w'ekigombe kirukugita abashaho habwa burenge bwizobe cya Uganda Medical Association, asimira entebe kaniseji egenderire kurwanisa sirimu.
Ankole region etungira umugisha bwo hostinga launch yakatabaka kabashaho kahandikirwe Uganda Medical Association erikwatanisa na Uganda Medical and Dental Practitioners Council kandi ka sponsored by UNAIDS. So tungira umugisha kandi twashemererwa bakatabaka kaza kuyamba abashaho bona okureba ubahereza obuhereza abw'abantu bona ondukwatirinde na sexual reproductive health and HIV services from region. Echi kikaba habo kugira ngo Mbarara City ikashanganiye ine prevalence yahiguru ondukwatirinde na akakoko ka sirimu. So nico kitumire cyaba ngo rongi yakatabaka ebe omu region age.
Nashemerwa munonga abakatabaka akakozirwe kuhwera hwabashaho kubahenda jiriro yo kutwakubasa kutwaza abantu abututwire nabo abuturikweta key populations abine riski yo kwatwa akakoko ka sirimu kusingaho abantu ababurijo aba barimo abari ku bamaraya harimo abari kozesa imbazi hari abari kwanbetere bikato babine mbaze bakozesa bakudependingaho harimo nabandi abantu abakuba batabukire nk'emitwe.
Mbarara ni mu districts za Uganda ziri kukiza y'abantu abari kwatwa indwara ya sirimu buri izoba. Gasha kwa Evans Taremwa.
Webare Evans Taremwa. Itwari rya Mbarara erizuba ryatunga abasesrodoti 8 basya hamwe na n'abadikoni 16. Ishabarisa witwari rya Mbarara Lambert Bino mujishano we yayibembera umugenzogu ogwo kutundisa isakaramento rya ordin kandi umuhwezo wa speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa we yabari umugenyi mukuru ahari Nyamitanga Cathedral aho mu rurimbo rwa Mbarara.
Ishabarisa witware rya Mbarara Lambert Bino mugishano yayibembera umugenzo wo kutungisa isakaramento rya ordin ahari Nyamitanga Cathedral aho abaseminari 16 batungisa ubwidara ry'ubudikoni kandi abadikoni 8 bakatungisa ubwidara ry'obusaseredoti. Ishabarisa yamaza kubakomera entanda aho yabasha bo kwetegereza cyo barukora kandi bakacitoreza.
Manya umuhereza wanyu numuyija kubona muyizuruza ekitambo cyabikiriza numukiterana cya Kristo ekimu kwija kongesa engaro zanyu ahitambiro n'umushoma musa cyo turukija kusigira engaro zanyu mukamazeze kandi nabezi aizine chigombe cy'abakristo cy'umuri kuja kuhereza
yabatuma kweza abantu mu izina rya Kristo kandi bamanye ngo nibaherezense batari kwerondera byabo
era iyo kusomera hamwe mwabana muhimbisa kandi muzima hanga umushara za bevayo izishaha za buri zoba izimuri kongera hanga ibyo nani mukora tahabwa bikiriza bonka bitu naha wensi yona mugume mwishike kumwirwa mu bantu mukatewaho ahabwa abantu kubakora emirimo ekwatirine n'ebya Ruhanga mugume mushikirize umurimo gwa Kristo umusaserdoti obutosha mwino kushimirwa na rukundo y'amazima
aba babanza kwayo kwiga kwaba harisha bepiskopi batyo batera ikiragano cyo buhurizo mishoje
ndaganza kunta mu kitinwa no kumpura hamwe n'abari impungurura ni kuraganza Ruhanga wakutandikiye mu murimo mu njogo abinwe yagushyiriza
nabwa nyuma barambira harutari umurisa yabeteremba baza mutumo rukwera yaba hasera rukubeza kandi yaba umugisha Ishabarisa yakurasaho kutemuko n'abaseminariyo yaba hasera yabahindura abadikoni bajwe ko kijwaro cyo budikoni kandi yagaruka yaba kwa evangeli ya Kristo eyibahindurwa barangiriza bayo
yakira evangeli ya Kristo eyibahindurwa umurangiriza wayo kandi yetegereze icyo rashome ukikirize icyo rikirize ukitoreze icyo rikirize ukegese kandi icyo rayigese ukitoreze
nabwa nyuma yakurasaho kuhasera abadikoni 8 arakubatunyisa ubusaseredoti bajwe ko kijwaro cyo busaseredoti basigwa amajuta ga Krisma habaganja bagaruka bakwasubwe cyhongwa okuza kuhongera mu kame kitambo
ukaba Yesu Kristo wishe yasigerana kumwe kwera n'amanini akurinde abakoze kigombe cy'abakristo nabo kongera Ruhanga kitambo yakire cyongwa cyo kongera Ruhanga icyarwo mu kigombe cy'kwere cy'abantu be yetegereze cyo rakore kuratara icyo rahonje kana magara gawe ugatanze n'ibanga y'umushara wa Mukama
Sacerdote umugende muze gusangira abantu kandi basavinge umuringo ubwo kujya kubaretera babaje mu makaragabo
sima batebekanisi izobere nimwe bare kutebekanisa kurunji weza ko twanurwa icyamuheru Ruhanga nakarongore ababere enteterezo kwicariza umucanga kitu cyankore mwitwara ryitu ryambarara abasaserdoti abatwebebire mwe bare kurinde cyo mukombera mukiterra mweno nite twabegitaho mu byo gumurimo murunji mutwabure kandi mutushabire ni cyo tunjamani gukurangira ibanga y'amakuru marunji ko kushimira
umuhezi wa mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero ry'ihanga Thomas Tayebwa yakurusiye abasacerdote n'abadiko n'abatungera izoba kandi yabashaba kwebembere huru yo kurwana soboro no kwitaho umuhuru yo kurwana sobushomanguzi
so nimbashaba mure mwatu yamba ubushomanguzo mu parish modo umukureba ngo tabaho kwiba kwihasenta abantu baronde mirimo hariza district emibazi tukuteka mu marwariro mutiyande information ejo mwazitunga mugitwereze
Shebeza Munonga ni mukuru w'abakristo kwimuka kagira ngo ile project yo mwana yiba kwenda kutandika kuhaba katekisinga bashomesa kureba ngo bazanaga kweyubura kwihogurwo mu boro ni nkunda Munonga abantu abakucira kurwana so boro nambwe nuni nyira kwebaza akibisho bwo mu rugo rwanyu nakora umusekuritariyete kureba ngo abantu barwo muhoro abantu bayetungura
enda kutwara umusa kusima akidayosisi yitu yambarara abo kubaza kutuso kusazorodoti abasazorodoti 8 nangu no kudikona abadikoni 16 n'ikintu cy'amani akongeza okuzanzaza ikigambo cya mukama mu Western region nangu nahurira muno yaza Kenya kandi if there is any time erata gisedini ningerana hati
sakrota basya n'abadikoni bashaba ngo baze gushomesa abantu bamanye gukora sente bamanye kubanza uburo batwara abana babo mu mashomero kandi batakaza kwahura umuganda n'amadini
icyo ni cyacire cyasako yibagamba no nimbahamiza zakora nabo rero mutana twakoramo abantu barangobona twabiho mu bwoko
mukama abenimwe
ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya naza kumuraho ningaruka n'amakuru agandi
omweshongozi wawereriye n'abasuwa kweshongori yawe n'ojine ruhanga yakukunda nakukunda ifyata yakitaguru yakituletera Kampala omuri Serena Hotel ebiro 10 tubikoma n'umwaka kutandika no shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngo shigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro 5 VIP mitwaro 20 tables a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitaneza bamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Frisco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Receipts JBL kumanya bukitiraho terazura mushaje 8 50 50 nkaga nina amabasha kanje
tandika izuba emirimo urugendo ninga kahumuro neco kunywa cya kituzi yenywere kituzi ohure matwenge aha mu miro nikikorwa ku rugo mu kituzi cya shitake amajyani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo eki nikikorwa ba kituzi Farm Company Limited aveine teknolojia nebyoma byo mutindo kituzi drink ikirizibwa kitongore cyo mutindo mu ihanga echa UNBS kandi nashangwa mu maduka na supermarket zone mu ihanga kushubura tera simu noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twina bitana shatunemwe ninga noti mushanju 8 mushanju bisha twitano 00 mwenda
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
omuliro nguwulira mulingo mutima kukankana like drums kalakata kalakata enendongo eyakusabula mikono free of fire free of fire free of fire
nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology diploma in medical records and health informatics diploma in pharmacy rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library ey'omurembe computer z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management we strive for quality health.
Alo
ese bo mwami mukasa
mutianeyo
yono broka
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenunjiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka?
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Bangambye saa 5.
Nedda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwaki.
Anti langi gye tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti ne value y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisaki.
Global Paints.
Mutia.
Ku ceiling tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga gye musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli umite. Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
Millennium Sacco 2012 ehireyo okutungura hamwe no kuyamba buri muntu wena bino bohereza nka voluntary saving, fixed deposit, joint accounts, institutional account, group accounts nezindi bine no bohereza bwa roni eza buri muringo bine M-Sacco ningashi mobile banking habwa MTN za hasimu yawe imata star igana kaga ni 5 hash Sacco ID ni ADMS member ID oteho account number yawe habwa Airtel imata star igana chinana ni 5 hash Sacco ID oteho emwe mkaga na mwenda not mkaga member number oteho account number yawe bahichirire head office chombeko cha Church Community Center Harimbaguta Street Mbarara ningashi amataji gabo Nkarugaga, Ibanda, Kabuyanda, Chinoni, Ngarama, Ndinda Branch, Kampala na BSU Branch omuli Bishop Stewart University. Hesimu noti mshanju mnani ibiri 11 abiri na mwenda chinana na mshanju ninga noti mshanju noti mkaga ashatu na mshanju mkaga na mshanju anana mkaga.
The parent is Tuliahewa Dixon. And the child is Ani Tuliahewa Esther.
Kambera kagweri gwete kwa mugisha ngo ishe watu yahewa Esther wahangura school fees ngene na hateja shana amashemero kwagonka MTN momo eberewo mbeni nyigasta igana kaga ni 5 star 80 hash kushashuro mwana school fees tokoma nyo mucisheri zagwije wanje ninga nchaka ngwasa kuzo wawe mwebare munonga.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business busy konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na apo ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugerera kimwa shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka. Turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema. Ekikuru downloading apo ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe ohereze ba customer bawe otungure na business yawe wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading app ya numida okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu ina ishatu. Numida, fast, simple, built for business.
sanitary pads with hamwe na ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi n'amanu go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinge izoba lyona nechiro quality pads affordable price pads zezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza burijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinge. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bwo mutano umbwire bwo mutano.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
ndabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire ekyo shua
kansinage bampakingire
honey mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
Twazo makuru agibye mzano team ezirukuza kujekera Uganda omumpaka z'amashomero ezasiniza East Africa ezirukuza kuhindura mu kibuga Morogoro echa Tanzania ilizoba nubwe zasibirwa mu butongore okorekero rwa Tanzania.
Omukoro gwo kusibira za timu ezirajekera Uganda omizano ya Fiasa Games gwayebemberwa Minister w'ebyemizano Honorable Patrick Ogwang kandi gwakorerwa hakitebe kikuru eky'ebyemizano echa National Council of Sports aharugo go muri Kampala. Justus Mugisha or president w'ekigombe ky'okwebembera emizano y'amashomero mu Uganda yagambira minister bemwahabizibu ebiro kuteganisa za timu z'amashomero ebiro mu ibira ry'esente kandi minister mu kugamba kwe yaraganisa kwera kumara hebizibu ebi ekiraretere entunguka y'ebyemizano omwihanga bwanyuma minister yakwasa ba captain ba timu ebendera aho abazana barukurengo mu 13 okurugo mu mashomero nkaga na mushanjo barije kujwekera Uganda omizaneji.
The truth and the legacy for the country that in the Fiasa we have won 5 times and we are going to defend many of them.
Went through the lengthy process of qualification. There were challenges here and there, but nevertheless we have a formidable team, in my opinion, that will heavily defend the title we have secured for the past 5 years.
During this 6 years, we have consistently won because of the finances of the Ministry of Education and Sports. There used to be a very big gap, but also because of the cost sharing which the schools do together with the ministry.
Sports is not politics. In terms of age, you can be active between 14, 15, up to 33. At 33, those who are runners, they intend to venture into marathon. But now their names have been seen. Even when I was still a young person, up today, I'm counting myself now an old person. At 42, I'm now old.
Ebyo kiryaho abeji ba senior ya kana bishomero rya Global High School bagwa makazi n'abeji ba senior ya katano ahagore mwahandijo omuzano gw'omupira gw'ebijere ogwazanirwa hishomero ryabo okurijira habatebekanisa nibagirangwe mzaneji nehwera beji omukutungura entaranta zabo
yamba abeji one lukuramba babafiki anokuzora talents zabo mama nani ta classes akushangu mwana atakumanya arupanya shira mu kata atakwena
Timyange badde nsubira okuwangula eno game second half and we expecting better
twade tufunye batusose ne batukuwa mu goal esoka mu first half naye nebaza abasambi bangu kukola ennyo refa ali asobodde okutuwa penalty
kala makuru agacenshwire abona ho nagahenderera kandi wabonaga ku sound Elias Rutugusa nyoni kwendeza kurara kuronje
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
Yejumbira mbazi ogwa Ebisdent na Fresh Up dero oyonjera kusheka mu bantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache mnongo
tungaroni okugerera kimwe ashirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri nina zonka turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya Numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho
Mushana Productions nekushitibwaho
Chituzi yenywere Chituzi ohurema twenje aha mumiro nichikurwa kurwo mu Chituzi cha shitake amajani hamwe no bwoki konjoro bunuzi hamwe no mutindo
omu programu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuzire n'obwetagwa
Mushana Productions.